So I'm going to teach you how to edit your Jira dashboard. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to personalize your workspace, customizing your dashboard can help you stay organized and improve productivity. Start by navigating to the Your Work section and selecting the Dashboards tab. Choose the dashboard you want to edit and click the Edit button to enter customization mode. Here, you can rearrange widgets, add new gadgets, adjust layouts, and fine-tune the displayed information to suit your workflow. Changes are reflected in real time, allowing you to experiment with different arrangements. Remember to focus on clarity, efficiency, and relevance while customizing, and use reset or cancel options if needed. Regularly reviewing and refining your dashboard ensures it stays aligned with evolving project needs, helping you manage tasks and monitor progress effectively. In today's